In other big developments that we are tracking today, transgenders' right to marriage has now been upheld by the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court. In a landmark judgment, the court held that a person who is born intersex but identifies herself as a woman should be treated as the bride. The couple can have their marriage registered under Hindu Marriage Act. Well, so that's a big development we are tracking today. Remember, this is the right to marriage by transgenders, which has been upheld by the Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court. This is a landmark judgment that has come in that gives the right to all transgenders to get married. It has also specified that a person who is born intersex but identifies herself as a woman should have the right to be treated as the bride. Now, let me go across to Meenakshi Banja, who has more details on this. Meenakshi, this is, of course, a landmark judgment, and this will have very important implications for equality for the third gender. Can you put things in perspective for us in terms of the order that has come from the Madras High Court?
Well, that's right, Frida. This is also a reformist judgment. This is a landmark reformist judgment. And we have seen in the past the Indian courts really lead the way when it comes to upholding constitutional values of equality and also dignity to individuals. Remember, Article 21, right to live with dignity, is a fundamental right, and everybody is entitled to have that dignity. This particular judgment that we are referring to here goes a long way in upholding dignity herein of a transgender person. Although the court has said in its judgment that a person who is born intersex but identifies herself as a woman should be treated as a bride. Frida, this is under Section 5 of the Hindu Marriage Act. This particular person should have all the rights to solemnize or register a marriage with a person of the opposite sex, of male gender. Therefore, this judgment is assuming a lot of import because for the first time, we're looking at a judgment which is granting a transgender person rights to not just marry but also register their marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act.
Of course, like you said, this is a reformist judgment, and thanks for updating us with all the important details of this judgment. Meenakshi, thanks for joining us.